Hi and welcome to On the Rocks, our cocktail show. And today I am at Raintree Anna Salai at Madira, their exotic bar, and I have Nayab with me, who's going to do some cocktails for me. Now, when I say cocktails, I find it very difficult to believe because I see a stick of bread, I see cherries, and I don't know how do you make a cocktail out of it. So probably Nayab is the expert guy, and he is going to tell me what is so special about this cocktail and how do we make it.
And today's cocktail which I'm going to make is basically a wasabi based cocktail. The name of the cocktail will be Tangatini. It will be a bit tangy. The main ingredients is wasabi, which is known as Japanese mustard or Japanese horseradish. It's very high in protein. 4.8 gram is the protein out of 100 grams, and high in calorie also. 108 grams in 100 grams. So the basic ingredients which I'll use is vodka and triple sec lime juice sugar syrup. And you can see a garlic crostini. It's Italian bread actually. It basically goes with some soup. But I'm giving it because if half the spread is spread with wasabi paste and half of it is just plain. Because if you want to have more tanginess in that in the drink, you can have half of the spread with the which is spread with the wasabi. You can have. If you don't want tanginess, you want to decrease the tanginess, you can have the other side, which is a plain bread. So we can start to make the cocktail.
Sure.
Basically a blended drink. So first I want to take ice. Lots of ice, a frozen drink. So I just want to use lots of ice in it. This is a frozen drink, so I have to use cracked ice. It's not full cubes of ice, it's cracked ice. So which I already cracked and put in the bucket. So I'm using cracked ice some. Then I'll add some liquor, that is vodka, 45 ml of vodka. And triple sec, which is orange flavored liqueur. So I'll add 15 ml of that. 15 ml of lime juice, some sugar syrup 15 ml. I'll add some wasabi into it, just a little bit, not much because it's very tangy. People will not be able to have if I'll add more of that. So
What exactly is wasabi, Nayab?
wasabi is basically a Japanese horseradish, which and you can call it as a wasabi is a Japanese mustard. So we're using it just a little bit because it's very tanginess. So just a little bit of that. I'll just blend it. The drink is already blended and I'll just check it out. It is already ready. I'm just going to put in the margarita glass, which I already have. I'm just putting on the side of the glass to have it because it's a frozen drink, so I can't put on top of it, so I'll just put on the side of it. Mint leaves on top of the bread. So we are putting cherry on top of it on the mint leaves to just give a different eye appeal. And the drink is ready. You can enjoy the drink. Cheers.
Right. So now I say this is a drink with literally cherry on the top. Okay, if not on the top, I have a cherry. I have a stick of bread with me and it is going to be very tangy. That's what I feel by looking at it. So I am going to enjoy my drink. I hope that you understood how to make this. Try this recipe by yourself and cheers. Keep watching On the Rocks.